This is awesome. Today we're at Heathcote Park Raceway. It's the Central Victorian, Central Victorian drag and drive event. They start at Heathcote Park, they do test and tunes, they do some runs, then they drive all the way out to Mildura, do the same thing up there, then they drive all the way back to Heathcote Park, and that's where you find us today, on the last day of the Central Victorian drag and drive. Let's check it out.
Dave Curtis.
Dave, pleased to meet you, Dave.
Thank you.
What you driving in?
My VN Commodore. We've had it for 19 years and it's had 18 engines in it.
18 engines over 19 years.
Yeah.
Holy dooly.
So,
what's it got in it now, mate?
Twin turbo LS.
Yeah.
Makes a bit over 1,000 horsepower rear wheel. Got a power glide in it. Matt Disford built power glide, 9-inch by Geelong differentials, and it's basically a stock suspension, FE2, old suspension under it with some Peters springs and factory shockers. No science, and we just basically, it works. It was a conception that has been in the pipeline for about 3 years. So I bit the bullet, put it out there in November, and struggled to get people because it's a first event, and people, it's not a name brand, it's not, I'm not backed by a national magazine, so and my sponsors for the event have got me across the line. Out of 39 entrants, I think there was, only 9 of us have ever done the drag and drive. The other 30 have either been very intimidated by their not being fast enough, or not being professional enough, or not being... And I said, bring them along. I don't care.
Okay, that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. Big thanks to Dave at Central Vic Drag and Drive for putting on the event and inviting me along to have a look. Huge thanks also to Lance at Heathcote Park Raceway. What a venue. A lot of money, a lot of blood, sweat and tears has gone into that venue. Alan on the call, what a champ. So it's been a great day. I've really enjoyed it. If you've been on the outside looking in onto the motorsport of drag racing, thinking that I can't do that, only the cool rich kids can do that, you're cool. You may not be rich, maybe you are, but you are cool. You can go do this. It's affordable, it's accessible, supported people, memories for a lifetime. I can see it on the faces of the people that were there. So do yourself a favor, look up Central Victorian Dragging Drive on Facebook. There's a group, there's a page. Get in touch with Dave. I think he posts his mobile number in the group. Have a chat. I think the next one is in Ballarat, maybe Ballarat to Portland, back to Ballarat, something like that. And I think it's in November, somewhere around there, somewhere after Melbourne Cup weekend. So yeah, what are you waiting for?